There's no insulation in the modern sense. Walls are thick, but drafts find their way in. You pull a linen cloth over yourself. Linen is breathable, cool against the skin. In warmer regions, heavy blankets aren't necessary. In colder climates, wool takes over, scratchy but warm. Sleep patterns remain flexible. Darkness still dictates rest. In fact, artificial light is minimal. Oil lamps are precious resources. Most households extinguish them early to conserve fuel. This means you go to bed soon after sunset, whether you feel sleepy or not. You lie awake for a while, listening to the city settle. Somewhere nearby, someone coughs. A cart rattles over uneven stones. A dog barks. Sound carries easily through thin walls and open courtyards. Your bed, or mat, is not a sanctuary. It's simply a place to lie down. Interestingly, Roman writers occasionally complain about noise disturbing sleep. The poet Juvenal once noted that traffic in Rome could make rest difficult. Even 2,000 years ago, people struggled with nighttime disruptions. You turn onto your side. The woven mat presses patterned impressions into your skin. Your arm serves again as your pillow. Circulation fades slowly from your fingers. Scholars still argue whether sleep quality significantly improved with raised beds or if the difference was more symbolic than practical. Being off the ground may have felt prestigious, but it didn't necessarily mean deep, uninterrupted rest. The oil lamp sputters once, then goes out. Darkness deepens instantly. No soft LED glow remains. Your world shrinks to blackness and breath. In this quiet, you begin to relax despite the firmness beneath you. Human bodies adapt remarkably well. Muscles loosen. Thoughts drift. The stone no longer feels hostile, just present. And as you lie there on your thin mat in an ancient stone home, you realize something subtle. Comfort is still relative. Compared to bare earth, this woven surface feels like progress. Compared to your modern mattress, it feels like penance. You close your eyes anyway, because no matter the century, eventually, sleep wins. You wake to the faint hum of a city already stirring. The stone floor beneath your mat has stolen most of the warmth from your body, and your shoulder feels stiff from serving as its own pillow all night. Time shifts again, and now you find yourself inside a modest Roman home, not the marble palace of a senator, but the cramped apartment of an ordinary citizen. The room is dim, lit only by thin morning light slipping through a narrow opening. You slept not in a private chamber, but in a shared space that transforms with the hour. By day, it is living area, workspace, dining spot. By night, it becomes a dormitory. You rise from a low wooden frame, your first true bed, if you're lucky enough to have one. It's called a lectus. The mainstream historical fact here is that Roman beds were typically wooden frames, laced with rope or leather straps to create a supportive base.